Oh, the lady in red, the fellas are crazy for the lady in red. She's a bit gaudy, but naughty, what a personality. Oh, the lady in red is fresh as a daisy when the town is in bed, dancing and dining and shining with originality. She's very proper, she's nothing more than a pal, but oh me and oh my, you'd never stop her. She'd be a dangerous gal if she should ever meet the right guy. Oh, the lady in red, the fellas are crazy for the lady in red. Is she a study, oh buddy, what a personality. Have you ever met the girl who's the toast of the town? A work of art without a question. You better write her number down. I'm nuts about the lady in red.